This is a Kia Stinger. All the Kia Stingers come with black seatbelts. We're gonna take these black seatbelts and turn them into red ones. Papa wants to change it up, match it with the calipers. We're going red.
Take a flathead screwdriver, press it in. It's going to spin this mechanism and then allow you to use your finger at the same time. You push this all the way in and you'll see it turn in here, pull up in a sense, and it'll release. Whoops. 1,000 times easier to just pull down. Do not pull out. You're gonna break some shit. It'll fall in on its own. Feed it through the hole. And out we go. We gotta remove one more 14 mil. The housing is in here. You can't get a gun in there, so you gotta get a breaker bar thingy.
We got the big torque.
It's a 10 mil. And then there's a connection for the airbag system. There's 2 orange clips on each side. And you just pull out. Break this up. It's like the right size.
Yeah,
right side. Let's fish this back in. It fits in a little groove, and then there's one up here as well. 10 mil first. There it goes. This is the only side that's going to be a little tricky, is this part, realigning these. You want to realign the white clips at the bottom. You could start doing the window molding, the door molding. Make sure you feed it through the hole or you're gonna have to redo this whole thing. There we go. Line up this part and get it in here at the same time, and then make sure it works before you tighten everything down. Now we're good. Okay, you wanna make sure it works before you do it. We're good. Give it a hard pull, make sure the seatbelt actually works. Make sure it buckles. It's good.
Wow, perfect. What do you think of these red seatbelts, man? They came out pretty sweet, huh?
Dude, they look so cool. The red and black, man, it just look amazing.
I think it fits overall with like your red down here on the Brembos and the red valve cap you got there.
I always wanted a red seat belt, so when I spec'd out my car, I made sure that it has like the black interior. It just looks amazing with a red seat belt. We got this from K8 Stinger Store. Thanks to David at K8 Stinger Store.
Comment down below if you guys are planning to change your seatbelts to red instead of black. I can't. My seats are already red, so I'm not gonna change my seatbelts. But if you have a black interior, then it looks nice.